So today I'm going back to my original way how I was making my videos. Um, those who know, those who've been watching my show, they know that I started my cooking show working at a retirement home, cooking for like about 10 residents. And I was uploading videos like every day. And it was long form videos, uh, usually like about 45 minutes to an hour. And then I left that job, wasn't able to keep up with my uploads. So I found a way to start doing like shorts in order to keep my subscribers alive and come back and watch my show. But I wasn't enjoying it. It was good. It was good for me to still be engaged with the YouTube channel and to make content. But I got to be honest with what I do, because the purpose of my show is to educate somebody how to do proper cooking using proper techniques. So since I'm not cooking for seniors anymore, I do have a job that I work at a retirement home, but it is not possible for me to make any videos. But now I changed the direction, but still cooking, but cooking for individuals. If you're a solo, somebody cooking for yourself, perfect to watch my show. So this way you don't have to go outside and eat food because it's expensive to eat outside. So you can enjoy watching my show and pick up some of the techniques. So today I'm preparing um, salmon. Got a salmon right here. Usually when I cook salmon, I buy like a nice long fillet, cut them into small portions, and wrap them individually, and then I freeze them, and I take them out as I go. Whenever I need it, I take it out in the morning, put it in the fridge, let it thaw out, and in the evenings when I come home from work, it's ready to go, so I can cook it and eat it. So yeah, so today I'm making salmon with uh, with some spaghettini pasta. And I'm gonna use some pesto, and I also got some ricotta cheese and some Parmigiano to finish it off. Yeah, so it's just gonna be like pesto and olive oil. So I got my water boiling already, so I'm just gonna add some salt. So I'm gonna get my pasta happening. I'm just gonna add a little bit more salt and pepper to my fish. Okay, so my pasta is already ready. So I'm just gonna strain it, and I'm gonna cook my fish and then get it in the oven. I'm not gonna take all the water out. I'm gonna leave a little bit of water in there because I like to have some pasta water because it's got starch in it. So the skin, what I'm going to do is I'm going to crisp it. I'm going to get it like nice and crispy, and I'm going to sprinkle it on top of the pasta. So it's going to give it a nice texture to my dish.
It's always a good idea to wear something when you're cooking because things could always fly, especially if you're working with oil.
So my fish is ready. I'm going to put it in the oven to finish it off. And I'm going to start making my sauce now. So basically, I'm going to use my one shallot, probably half a shallot, get my pan on, so I'm going to use some olive oil, some garlic, and I got my shallots in there, and my pesto, some salt, some pepper, I'm just going to add my ricotta cheese now, and a pinch of chili flakes. So I got some greens here. If you have like spinach, arugula, anything that would work. So now I got everything ready. All I gotta do is like plate. Let's take my salmon out. And finish it off with some Parmigiano. So here it is, guys. So it's a pretty good meal. So if you were to go to a restaurant, it's probably about 30 bucks. You can do the same meal at home for like $107. Yeah, depending on where you buy your fish. All right. All right. So yes, try cooking for yourself and enjoy a great meal. And thank you for your time. And please subscribe if you haven't yet. I also go on TikTok. I do mostly my shorts on TikTok because TikTok is more of like short content videos. And yeah, so check it out. And I want to try to draw more traffic into my YouTube channel. So that's why I go on TikTok to post. But YouTube is my primary channel, which is where I will be posting my um, long form videos. Thank you for your time and have a great day, guys.